Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Room is compiled into your app and the schema exists. Once dependencies are added and entities plus DAOs are defined, build the project so generated code appears. Make sure you run the debug build on an emulator or physical device. The database inspector only shows debuggable processes. After the app is running and you've executed code paths that create or write to the DB, you're ready to inspect it in Android Studio. Once the app is running, open App Inspection and pick Database Inspector to attach to the process. You'll see your Room database listed. Select it to load table schemas and rows. Use live updates to watch writes appear in real time when your app performs transactions. You can also run custom SQL, sort or filter rows, and preview blob. Make sure to trigger sample data writes from your app so the inspector has visible records to display and query against. To finish, inspect the table you need, run SQL if you want a targeted export, and right-click to save as CSV for analysis. Once done, you can close the inspector and continue iterative testing. If the database is missing or empty, first confirm you ran code paths that write data, then make sure the app is running as a debuggable build. If you still can't see the DB, rebuild, uninstall/reinstall the app, or enable debuggable in the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.